Hello students, so let us see the deleted syllabus of physics and chemistry. In this video I will be telling you all the topics that has been deleted. Please note that the topics that has been highlighted from yellow color are deleted. Let us start with physics of 9th class. From first unit, topic measurement using vernier caliper and screw gauge is removed. Unit 5 heat and energy flow topic and energy resources topic is removed. Greenhouse effect and global warming only definition is there, and electromagnet and its introduction is also removed. Now let us see in 10th class physics what all topics have been removed. So 10th class physics, in machine chapter the complete topic lever has been removed. First, second, third. In light chapter there is removal of numericals from power of lens, and simple application of scattering of light is no more with you, okay? And loudness, pitch and quality, only definitions you have to do. From electricity, the major topic, that is transformer, that has been removed, and nuclear fission and fusion in radioactivity is being removed. Now let us see the chemistry of 9th class. First, second units are as it is. In third unit of 9th class there is the removal of some topics. So let us see that there is the removal of the topic, that is the properties. Some properties has been removed. The removal of hardness, boiling, addition of washing soda, soft water and hard water, this topic is removed, and along with that a complete chapter of pollution is no more there. Now let us see the chemistry of 10th class. First and second units of 10th class are also same as it is there. In the third unit, that is acid, base and salts, the last topic is removed, that is method of preparation of normal salts, that is been removed. In fifth chapter, that is mole concept, only the topic vapor density and its relation, that is there, all other topics are removed. In metallurgy chapter, the stages involved in extraction of metals, this has been removed. And in the 9th unit, that is the organic chemistry, the last two parts, alcohols and acids, these two are completely removed. So alcohol and carboxylic acid are removed now.